My name is Mats Fischer, CEO of J.A.S. Motorsport. Today we are here in our collection of our Honda cars, from which we've been working for the last 28 years, taking care of all customer support, touring cars and GT worldwide. Due to the company has done a change of their structure, we had to renew our workshop. This is purely done to optimize space, but also to have more freedom for us to make more cars. For this reason, we picked 3D Beta to help us optimizing our space, bring the image of our workshop into the current era, and give us more freedom for being able to provide our customers, but also the programs that we are going to be starting, a decent space to work in and the right tools to work with. We have terminated the work with 3D Beta. We are very satisfied with the results. Everything that was installed and how the outcome ended, it is very satisfying and it is over expectation. So we are very pleased and looking forward to start working in our new workshop by 3D Beta.